Hello guys, this tutorial is about deleting your Git repository permanently from Git. First of all, you have to visit the project in Git that you want to delete, and on the left side where you can see settings, click on setting tabs, and all the way bottom you can find advanced and click on expand, and again in the expand section all the way to bottom you can see delete project, and click on delete project, and it says you are about to permanently delete this. By doing this you will delete your Git repository permanently and you cannot undo the delete. And type on your Git repository name and hit yes, delete the project. It will permanently delete the Git repository from Git. And thank you.